welcome back to my channel. Victoria Lee here, and we are back on day 2 of Tampa vlogging. Today we got a lot in just like yesterday, so I hope you come along with me on the ride. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your way in and out, and let's get into the video. Morning, guys. It is day 2 in Tampa, and we just got ready and we are about to head out to go to the beach. First, we're gonna go and get some coffee, maybe some breakfast. Adrian.
Hello there.
All right, so we're off. We're gonna go. We'll show you our journey at Clearwater. It's gonna be really hot, and we're ready for our day 2 Tampa excursion. So day 2, we are in Buddy Brew getting some coffee. We got 2 cold brew iced coffees with caramel and half and half. And usually I don't get half and half, but I'm on vacation. This place is like super cute and like rusticy looking. It's pretty big too for a coffee shop. We wish New York had more coffee shops like this, but yes. We got some avocado toast, so I'll be sure to show you what that looks like when it comes. Okay, look how delicious this looks. I just got an avocado toast. It has like red pepper and 2 pieces of bacon. And Adrian got the same thing, but with a poached egg. And it looks so good. We'll let you guys know how it is. This avocado toast is so good. It's so crispy, the bacon and the avocado. Just like, you know, avocado toast is so good, but bacon on it is literally such a game changer. How do you think yours is?
Delicious. So good.
It's really good. If you ever come to Tampa, there are a bunch of Buddy Brews, so you can go to a Buddy Brew and get some avocado toast and some good coffee. Okay. Officially entered beachy town. I love this. This is my favorite type of vibe, is the beach vibe. We don't really know where we're going, but we're on our way, aren't we? Okay, I promise he's excited. Oh my goodness, there's so much to do. The thing, it even has a license plate on it.
Fun coupe.
The fun coupe. Now we're making our way to the beach. We parked. We heard that the sand here is really, really nice, so we're excited because in New York, the sand is all pebbly. We're approaching, and it's nice because there's not that many people here. Did you wear sneakers?
No, I have my flip-flops in my bag.
Made me nervous. Here we are. So we're sitting here. Oh, hello. You don't look like a seagull, so what are you? Maybe they have cooler seagulls here. We're sitting near the water. I heard that there's a lot of sharks here. It's not like the beaches back home where it's like there's sharks, but like here it's like could be a feeding frenzy. I don't really want that. The sand is so soft. Let me show you. I wish you guys could feel it. It's like so white and so soft. My aunt was telling me that there's a lot of sand dollars here, so I will go on a hunt. I'll make sure that they're not alive first, though. So beautiful. I wanted to vlog this because it's something I've never seen. There's a bar cart. So it's like a little golf cart, but it rides around the whole beach and it's a bar. And you can get drinks and stuff. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? Every beach in the world should have this, even just for like water, you know? Just to hydrate, because it's hot. It's literally 90 degrees and the UV's a 10. Look how cute this ice cream is that Adrian got. It comes in a little pail and it says life is better in Clearwater Beach. It's so cute. He got cookies and cream, and on the bottom he got mint chocolate chip, which is the superior flavor. We're keeping it.
Oh yeah.
We are sitting right now at Krabby's. It's one of the restaurants that they have that is like right on the beach. As you can see, the beach is right there, and we are right here. We are going to grab a bite, and then I think we're going to head back to like the main Tampa area where our hotel is. Stay at the beach for like 2 hours, and we are burnt, and it is hot, but it was beautiful. So let me show you some of Krabby's. It's really cute up here, and there's a lot of wind, and I love it.
Hello.
Here's the view. It's like right on the beach. And we have, it's like bar food, a lot of drinks. You can get like a drink and a pail. 32 ounces. Oh boy, in this heat, it's gonna be a no for me. This is what the upstairs is like. It's actually 3 levels. So we're on the top level, there's a middle level, which is inside, and then the bottom level, which is where these people are sitting outside. For an appetizer, we got a spinach and crab dip. Adrian's gonna try it. It literally just came to our table. Looks so good. And for our drinks, he got Tito's lemonade that was frozen, and I got a pina colada. And I paid extra $5 for this cup that goes to the Save the Manatees. And it's really cute because the cup says Save the Chubby Mermaids. I love it. And our food should be coming shortly. For meal, I got boneless tenders with ranch and blue cheese, and Adrian got a Caesar salad with calamari and I think like fried red shishito peppers, and also it came with a garlic toast. Is it good?
So good.
This has to be the most tossed boneless wings I've ever gotten. So yummy for us.
Just walking back to our car. Such a great day at Clearwater. Love the town. Cute atmosphere.
We're just walking the town. I just bought myself a hat in one of these stores. There was like a little boutique store that was cute. And now we're just walking. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all of the shops we passed already. We're near where we parked, and I think that's where we parked. So we had a really fun day in Clearwater. Now we're gonna head back to where we are staying at the Hard. We're back in the hotel now, and I just wanted to do a little quick like get ready with me. As you know, we went to the beach today, but I always struggle. So I always get like burnt here, and like right here, but never any type of pigment down here. So I always struggle with like, what do I do with my face makeup? I usually just put a little tiny bit of concealer, but I don't even know if I can do that right now because it's like really burnt and it makes it like very dry. I do have a moisturizer that I could put on. I'm gonna use some of my CeraVe. It's the Daily Facial Moisturizing Lotion. It has SPF 30. It's actually what I use today for just like regular suntan lotion because I'm scared to use like a regular lotion that's not recommended by my dermatologist. And this one is recommended. I think what I want to do first is my eyes. I'm just going to do a really soft look using my Huda Beauty. The hotel actually has a makeup mirror, so I'm going to use that. However, it's like broken. The light doesn't turn on. I'm not really sure what we're doing yet tonight. I think we're just going to explore a little bit more for our last night in Tampa. I'm sad that we are leaving already, but it was a nice little quick getaway. The downtown area we really loved. Like out of everything we loved, like the Sparkman Wharf and the Armature Works. We went last night, and you can see that in my other vlog. It's like all younger people, like around our age. There's this arcade place, like an adult arcade, where you can get like drinks and stuff. So we were thinking about checking that out and see if we like it. You know what I find Also, like every single summer when my face gets a little like red or burnt, I find that like powder does not sit well on my face. Like it does not want to sit on my face. So take some of the Tarte Shape Tape. I have been using the Ultra Creamy, not by choice, just because when I went to Ulta, they were out of the regular one in my shade. And I'm putting the tiniest amount, and then a little if I have like any acne spots. I look like one of those people when they're making a video game. And then I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna take my bronzing stick, the ColourPop one I always use, and I'm just gonna put like a little bit here, like in my normal bronzing areas, like so, little bit here and here. I'm just putting a little of my Fenty Beauty powder. If anybody has any like suggestions for powder in the summer, or if your face does the same thing that I was kind of explaining mine does, please comment below and tell me what you do. I go with bronzer, and I'm using my butter bronzer. They changed their packaging. Honestly, I'm gonna put this in all the spots that I just put the bronzer. Put on some blush using my Lunar Beauty palette, just a little, just because I already have color there anyway, so I'm just kind of bringing that color through. I'm gonna use a little Fenty Beauty. I'll just put like a very little bit on both sides. For brows, I'm going to use my ColourPop Clear Brow Gel. I just brushed them up and over. I wanted to show you guys, this is really important. So I'm gonna make a whole separate video about this on my page. I'm gonna do one of those little like YouTube shorts. But I wanted to show you the mascara that I have been using. And I don't know if I'm gatekeeping it or if people are already using it. I personally haven't seen anybody use it. What I'm talking about is the Charlotte Tilbury. Looks like this. Push Up Lashes. I have been using the shade Dream Pop, which is actually like burgundy. I was looking for a brown, but this is like in between burgundy and brown. Everywhere I go, people ask me what color my mascara is. I also think that colored mascaras are just like so fun. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Air Brush Flawless Setting Spray. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna change into my outfit that I'm wearing tonight. Come back and do my lips, and then I'll just quickly do my hair, and then we will be out on the town. For my outfit, basically I just have this black top that has this cute little like mesh here. I'm wearing my Gucci belts that I will still wear even if it's out of style. I'm wearing these jeans and these little pink shoes from Steve Madden. I'll do a whole outfit check like in the mirror, but I was just quickly showing you. I'm gonna put on Sweet Mouth by Fenty Beauty. Now I'm just gonna go in and do my hair. On the hair, I like the way it looks. I love that little tool. I'm definitely gonna start using it at home. As I showed you, these are different jeans than yesterday, but they're from Misguided. I think they're called Riot jeans. And then I'm wearing my little heels, like baby heel from Steve Madden. This shirt, I got it last year and I never wore it. I'm pretty sure it's from Shein. Like I said, it has like this little mesh. I wanted to show you guys, I get a lot of compliments on my necklace. I got this 1996 necklace, which is the year I was born, and I got it off of Etsy. So if anybody likes a necklace and you want to know where to get it from, you can just leave a comment down below and I'll find the shop that I got it from and I'll let you guys know. Now that we're all good, I think that we're just gonna go out of town. We're at this place called, what is this place called, Adrian? Park and Rec. It's like an adult little arcade. It's like there's like Donkey Kong in there. The Bolts game is on, Tampa Lightning, and we're playing cornhole. So Adrian's done it. This is him. He already got 5 points, but it's okay because I will catch up because I am good at this game. So let's see. Go ahead, Adrian. Here we go. Close, but it's because I'm holding the camera, I promise. He gets every single one on. Okay, I'll let you know who wins at the end. Also, Pine Moons were like $5 and you get a whole picture for $10, so yeah. The game's on. So now we're back at this park from the orphanage. Lightning. Tampa Lightning.
Crazy.
We're just a couple of Rangers fans sitting and watching the game. We're not going to say a
Don't say
word.
it too loud.
Don't tell a word. We're going to be cheering for the Bolts tonight, but obviously, if they make it to the finals as the Rangers, we're not cheering for them.
Nope.
But how nutty is this? It's so fun.
So fun.
Okay.
This is so cool.
If they score, I'll try to get it on video, but I don't know if I'll be able to.
Update.
Update.
We're still here.
And the score is now 1-1.
Drinking wine.
You're doing singing Harry Styles. Let's go Rangers.
Alright guys, we're back from our night downtown Tampa watching the Bolts game. They won.
Go Bolts.
Go Bolts.
It was fun.
It was fun. A lot of people. It was a good time though.
I have a video on my phone of them when the Bolts scored their last goal, or the Lightning, Tampa Bay Lightning, sorry. And I'm gonna insert it inside of this vlog, so it's gonna be not the right way, but watch it 'cause it's really fun. And we had a really good day. We're going home tomorrow, and
So sad.
thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
hit that
comment,
notification.
hit the notifications, and
we're
we
going
will
to bed.
see you. We're gonna go bed.
Good night.